Howdy, welcome back to my channel. I don't really speak like this. I'm gonna stop now. Hi, I'm doing a 6-month iRestore update and I've had a lot of DMs, a lot of questions, a lot of comments from you guys asking me, iRestore update, how did you find it? What was it like? So I'm gonna be doing that today. So stick around till the end because I'll be showing you my result and talking through how I found it. Hello, my name is Men and I suffer from hair loss, but that's not what defines me. Today's video, I wanted to go through a little bit of my backstory and then talk through how I found using the iRestore device and my results. So if you are not new here and you've been following my journey from the beginning, please skip to the next timestamp because you know this already. So I suffer from hair loss. When I hit puberty, I started to get miniaturization and I didn't really tackle it till I was about 18. I went to the doctors and they diagnosed me with androgenetic alopecia, which is hair loss caused by hereditary genes. Mine is actually triggered by polycystic ovary syndrome, and it was only until when I was around 21, 22 is when I started to really take it seriously. I had iron deficiency as well. So there were many factors how I was suffering from hair loss and what was causing it. Fast forward to today, I tackle hair loss through natural, effective, scientifically backed methods, and that's really what my channel is about. And if that is something you're interested in, don't forget to subscribe. So I started iRestore about 6 months ago, end of April, and they reached out to me to try out their products. I had previously tried another device that wasn't well known, that didn't have enough laser diodes, and I just didn't think it was that effective. But I did say in the video that it was a good complementary treatment. So red light therapy, for those that don't know, it combats hair loss through transfer of energy and feeding the hair follicles to absorb that energy to help stimulate hair growth. Specifically, the iRestore device is FDA cleared, which means it's safe to use, and there have been scientific studies to show that red light can help to stimulate hair growth. Specifically, it's not just LED lights, but there are LED lights on this device, but the laser diodes have more of a penetrative effect, penetrating the hair follicle and the hair bulb to stimulate hair growth. The red LED lights, those face masks that you get, I did have a question, can you put an LED red face mask on your head? And the answer is no. You need the special device with specific laser diodes. What I found with the laser device is that it can be difficult to maintain and be consistent with it. So you do need to use it every other day for best results. And because I've been on quite a few holidays, there was only one holiday that I took it with me. It's quite compact. I went to a wedding for a few days, so I only had hand luggage. So when I went to wedding in Palma and then Marbella for a few days, I didn't really have any space in my hand luggage. So there were a few days where I didn't consistently do it. Additionally, there were times when I was not at home and obviously didn't take it with me to my friend's house. So imagine just me rocking up. Hi guys, I'm ready to party. So there were times where I haven't been consistent with it. But having said that, I'm going to show you guys what my hair looks like right now, do a side-by-side comparison of when I first started. So this is what my hair looks like. Washed it a day ago, so it's day 2 or day 1 hair, so it's a little bit greasy, so bear that in mind. But I'm just going to show you what it looks like from the back in terms of the quality of hair. And when I last shot video, it was in daylight, so these lighting can be quite harsh and can probably increase the amount of scalp shown, so that's another thing to note when comparing my hair. But overall, I think I found that the red light therapy has improved my hair loss. It takes about 6 to 9 months to see results. It's a very slow process, and only 6 months has a clip. But I will say that there's been some improvement. I wouldn't say that it's been an overnight success where I've completely gotten rid of my hair loss. Like, you can still see my scalp a little bit, but it has improved in terms of being able to see less of my scalp. My feeling about red light therapy in general, I think it is a good supportive treatment. It's not going to be your main treatment, but it is going to be a booster to help you stimulate hair growth and help fight hair loss. I wouldn't say it's going to be the one thing that it changes completely your hair loss, although there have been other people who have experienced significant growth and have had great results. I'm not knocking my own results because it's still quite early days. It takes about 9 months to to a year to really see a significant change in your hair, but I have seen some good indications that it is helping, which is really positive. With that in mind, I would recommend getting it if you have the budget and you have the time and willingness put into it to see results. The great thing about iRestore is that they have money back guarantee. So if you don't see results in a year, you can get your money back, which is a no-brainer. So for me personally, if that was something that I could get my hands on and still get my money back if I didn't get any results and it just didn't work for me, it's gonna be a motivating factor, because you don't want to buy the device, use it for a year, it does nothing, and then you spent all of this money, because it is quite an expensive price point versus other methods and other treatments. For me, the natural method will always trump any other methods like minoxidil or finasteride. Those two are just something I just won't recommend on my channel, and anything that's natural and effective and has some scientific backing is always going to be something that I would recommend. Red light therapy is something that you have to try for yourself, but there is positive evidence, positive anecdotes from other people using the device has helped for them, and initially I feel like it has had some benefit in my own experience and in my own hair. It's not the final point where I'll be able to make a full recommendation, because a whole year or a whole 9 months hasn't gone by, and there has been times where I haven't been completely consistent with it, which is frustrating for me as well. But the difficulty that I found with it is that because of the plug situation is you have to plug it in, put it on, and then kind of just wait there. So I would recommend buying the battery pack that comes separately, because you can do your day-to-day things that you want. I normally, because I work from home, if I'm just doing some admin or I'm researching some things, reading reports, I'll put it on and just get on with my day. So it's really important to put a reminder in, and that's what I started doing, is putting a reminder on my phone every other day without fail to put on the helmet. Red light therapy is going to be a great supplement to your existing regimen, and I would definitely supplement it with microneedling. So PRP treatments is when you get your blood taken out from your veins, they spin it, take the plasma out, inject it into your face, microneedle, then use a red light therapy on your face. I found that red light therapy helps to heal incisions, helps to heal the microneedling a lot faster, to improve, to stimulate collagen production, and then in turn hair growth. So if you were considering this as a supplementive treatment, you could use this in conjunction with microneedling. So you would microneedle on one day, wait a couple of days, and then use the red light after that. That will help heal the scalp. You want to be careful not to use it on broken skin, and want to make sure that your scalp has healed enough to be able to use the red light. And always consult your doctor if you're doing anything like this and using any invasive treatments alongside the red light therapy. If you have any other questions about red light therapy, please let me know in the comments. iRestore are doing a giveaway, so you can enter a competition to win an iRestore device. I would recommend going on their website and trying out for their raffle. You never know, you might win a device. Thank you so much for watching, and I will definitely do another update in a year or another 6 months, another 4 months time, just to give you guys a full overview of the iRestore device. But thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys, and see you in the next video.